Why is it moving? It's moving!
We're heading to Carolina Landing RV Resort. Aaron and Susan are taking out their camper.
It's the very first time they have used their version of the rescue wagon.
Johnny and Vicky are going to join us for a day hike.
And Taylor has some friends that are coming, and they've never come camping with us before. And this is the first time we're going to be camping at 1,000 Trails campground.
We've done a ton of planning for this trip, so surely nothing can go wrong.
So right now we're about to sing some songs, and
You don't know that.
I do know that, Christian. You can't help yourself.
He loves to be sung to.
Sail away with me to another world where we'll rely on each other. I keep
That she's back in the atmosphere.
Oh, drops to Jupiter.
Yeah.
da 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 da.
He's gonna
Come on and da 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 da.
I'm a straight up G. I like guy roast.
They're heroes. Euros. They're euros. I want to suck your blood.
It's gonna be huge.
Huge.
Hey, hold there. Hey, let's go hit some brewskis. Yeah.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Okay, so tell us about your first night impressions camping.
Tight space. She's concussed.
It was warm and cozy with a few bits of major head trauma involved.
What's you have to say about
Ask
this,
her
Luna?
how her first night. This was her first night camping.
How was your first night camping, Luna?
Unimpressed.
Delicious. Tasty. Yummy. Sweet. Delicious.
We're about to have breakfast this morning. It's gonna be super good. We're gonna have a waffle bar, and we had a latte bar.
Milky.
All right, barista, what you making?
Something with espresso and steamed milk and some foam.
Nice.
Hello. Hey, show him what Dad did to my beautiful coffee bar.
Tell him about it, Taylor.
Apparently he dumped a whole cup of coffee, and look at this. I'm having to individually wipe everything.
Sweet. Delicious. Spicy.
I must say though, the highlight of the evening was her peeing in the sink.
talking about. I would never pee in this thing. Ever. That is gross.
Vicky. This one is my other half. Johnny. It's Kaylee.
Kevin.
Sorry, this is my favorite child. Chewy.
I'm Kenzie.
I see that.
Hannah. Taylor.
Their speeches weren't nearly as long as yours.
Christian.
Jasmine and Luna.
Stacy. Susan.
Durwood Kirby.
So if you need a spark in your adventure life, I am here to help.
Can you see my roll my eyes and my glasses? Can you see that?
Okay, we're 25 miles back here in the wilderness. We've been hiking since yesterday. It was a rough night last night, and we're stopping for lunch. So
We lost our Sherpa.
She's letting me hold her. It's a Christmas miracle.
We're at 295 feet.
She is the elevation girl.
So Eric had one job to get the stuff for the GoPro, to bring the chest mount and the different mounts. Did he? No, we only have one mount. Kind of like Dad had one job yesterday.
These men.
What are we gonna do with them? I suggest they get a raise.
I loved this song when it came out. Pop some tags, only got $20 in my pocket.
No one ever was.
Pokemon!
To catch them is my real test. To train them is my cause. Feel my temperature rising.
Trying to stay up. Driving's
Her best
awesome.
friend. Is that my best friend? She's a real bad boy. Wow!
Wicked, wicked. Had to kick it. Not shy, so I asked for the digits. Don't know how you do the voodoo that you do so well. This is Bell Hell. Make me want to shoot, shoot, shoot.
You get that on tape?
So it.
Surely, nothing can go wrong.
Right like that? Why is it moving? It's moving! It's moving! Oh my gosh!
Got that on tape?
Oh yes. Oh my gosh, I didn't realize he was out of this room. What just happened?
I'm like, it's not moving. It was stuck in reverse.
Be free!